between us. Distance between our bodies. So much distance between us. Distance between our bodies. So much distance between us. Distance between our bodies. So much distance between us. Distance between our
Gee, did you see when I was on TV yesterday?
When?
Oh, I was on in the morning yesterday.
Oh, yo, when?
Oh, it was for What Now, that kids show, bro. I was mean as eh.
Oh, snap, when? Oh, remember when I told you I was going
Oh,
Samsung?
no. I mean, when did I ask?
He needs some milk.
Gotta be real with it. Yeah. Kiki, do you love me? Are you riding? Say, gotta be real with it. Kiki, do you love me? Are you riding? Say you never ever leave.
Bro, I get out. Kiki, do you love? Just stay like slow and I'll follow you.
Yeah,
Slow,
sure.
You're just stepping at you.
Yeah, well, okay.
Kiki, do you love me? Are you riding?
Turn the car off. Turn the car off. Gee, it's simple. And my feelings. Get out.
Yeah.
Kiki, do you love me? And you're just going like slow, bro.
But like, okay, cool. That's not.
Kiki, do you love me? Are you riding? Say you never ever leave from beside me.
Hey, what are you doing?
Yeah, shout out, man. Kailangan bully yan. Like, so kama sa lang.
fuck you, bitch. You broke my heart.
Oh shit, it's the Shiggy challenge. Are you ready, Brian? Let's go.
Kiki, do you love me? Are you riding? Say you never ever leave from beside me.
Hey!
'Cause I want you
Hey!
and I need you. And I'm down for you always, baby. Do you love me? Are you riding? Say you never ever leave from beside me.
What are you doing? Who's Kiki? Is that your girlfriend? Hey, you have a girlfriend now named Kiki. Oh no, it's just a song, man. Kiki, you in your mouth. Hey? Did you clean the room? Oh no, I haven't cleaned it. Yeah, well, you better clean your room. Oh, Kiking are you? Sorry.
Gotta be real with it. Yeah. Kiki, do you love me? Are you riding?
The arms of the angel.
Good morning,
Hey,
brother.
buddy, how you going?
Yeah, not too bad, mate. Not too bad.
Just those two?
Yeah, mate. Just the two goldies, mate.
Hold on, buddy. That would be $15.95.
Yeah, mate. I'll just use
You
my
pay
card.
by cash or card?
No, it's my wife's card, but
Okay,
yeah,
done. Just
I'll-
swipe when you're ready. It's not working, buddy.
I'm sure
Just
she put
swipe
money.
again.
As a matter of fact, can you get me the Winfield Reds? 20s? over there?
Winfield Reds.
Yeah, over there. Just 30s,
20s
mate,
or
30s.
30s?
Yeah, 30s will do, mate. 30.
You farmer!
Hey, you fucking asshole!
Pick me, miss. Oh man, you never pick up the Islanders.
I've been down so long it look like up to me.
Sit down! Miss hasn't dismissed us yet.
Oh miss, I can stay back and help you clean the whole class if you want.
Man, I can't wait to get my school report. Show my parents.
Oh miss, can you hold my phone please? I don't want it to be a distraction for me.
Oh no, you can keep your own lunch. I woke up early and made my salad.
Any tissues, miss? Man, can you have 3 please?
Wow, that couple's cute when they kiss in class, eh?
Couple goals. No, I can't come training tonight. I gotta go to the library.
Oh, miss, you forgot to collect our homework.
Buddy, you sure you don't want me to bring it down the stairs?
Nah, that's all right. Just drop it down there. There's two of us.
You sure?
We will catch it.
It's a pretty long job.
Alright,
it's coming.
That's okay, mate. That's okay.
You ready?
Oh,
Johnny. What? You alright, buddy?
Put up, Beanie.
Oh, thanks.
Where's my Beanie? Put up, Beanie.
Warriors chant coming up to half time. 15 seconds remain. Johnson knows that. Dumps it off there. Qatar.
I was watching that.
You can take everything I have. You can break everything I am. Go on and try and tear me down. I will be right.
Philly, I can't believe it. Dad said we can go.
Honestly, yo.
And get right into it. No one gotta kiss it, baby. Give it to me. We can dig it inside now. You know that I just wanna make love. Want you to scream and shout.
Where you going? You said we could go hang with the boys today. Son, you know when I said it, I didn't mean it. Go get changed, we're going to church.
My shattered dreams and broken heart are mending on the shelf. I saw you holding hands. Maybe I don't understand this. You're changing, I can't stand this. My heart can't take this damage, and the way I feel can't stand it. Maybe Alikalo waleno Papaya kuwe kukulu wa uipu Ele ay makuha ivia poko Makuha ele usikai
Dad, I can't find your phone. It's in the room. No, it's not in the room, I checked. Shh, if I get up and find it. Look, Dad, there's nothing.
Watch you slip away, slip away.
Got me in my feelings. Gotta be real with it. Yeah. Kiki, do you love me? Are you riding? Say you never ever leave.
Are you riding? Say you never ever leave on the side.
Do you love me? Take a nappy.
Oh, just trying to have fun, man. Well, relax. Sorry, dude.
New year, hey boys. What's your guys' favorite moment from 2017?
My favorite moment is the fact that I got a missus. And you don't.
Oh, this guy. Is that right?
Yeah, that's right. You shall forever be using Mrs. Palmer.
Okay.
Smart ass. Oh yeah, I got one. My favorite moment is when the Kiwis lost to the Matematonga in your face, Nampeka. Stink, man. Even the Dark Knights beat him. Hey, Dark Knights. Yeah, the Fijians. Oh, that's right. Thank you so much for key in the Wii 8, but it was key in the Kirara here. Or key in the Kyo. That's a good one. That's a good one. What are you talking about? Kiwis beat the Samoans. Yeah, and David Tua knocked out Shane Cameron. Ooh, fuck, that was a hiding, dude. What's that got to do with league? It means we'll beat you in the fight, yeah. Is that us, G? You're good. Oh, relax. Yeah, scared. But that window from the Tongans. I know. Tell me about it every single year.
Vince, can you read the next page, please?
See, sir. What you call me? What you call me? You know what, sir? I'm just gonna take some air. I'll be back in 5. Or means finish reading the book. Johnny, can you read the next page, please?
Sir, I would love to, but I forgot my book, eh? Sorry, just give me.
Bro, you can use mine. Johnny, read.
Nah, sir, do you have a toilet pass, please?
What?
I need a toilet. I'll be back real quick when I get back. Make sure you hold it. I want to read the whole book by myself. Vince, can you read the next page, please?
Sorry.
You okay? What?
God, cream. Let's go to the nurse office. Johnny, can you read the next page, please?
Oh, sir, the win. I lost the lines. Can we skip me and I'll catch up?
Vince, could you read the next page, please?
Sorry?
What are you doing?
Does it look like I want to read? Did I put my hand up?